Hello, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is just a super short and sweet video to show off this brand new nail dust collector. I recently tried out the GOGO nail file, the electric nail file. So will have that video linked in the description box, but they also have this amazing dust collector. Once I saw it, I knew I just had to try it. It goes up to 45 RPMs. It says 35, but it goes up to 45, and it's acetone resistant. It's got the HD screen on there, so it also has a pause button. It comes with an extra filter. So here is the little information guide. I thought it was super funny that it said super quiet instead of quiet. I always pick up on spelling errors. For me, that is just a thing. But also, here's some directions for how to get to the different speed zones a little bit faster, and then some precautions and all the things. So it's just everybody should know the precautions. Always just scan through it when you get a little booklet. It does come with a little nail duster, and then y'all, this cord is the one that goes with it. This cord looks like a laptop charger. So if I left it just laying on the table, I would totally think this went to my laptop. So yeah, I'm gonna have to keep it close by this dust collector. It does come with an extra filter. I thought that was the regular filter, but once I opened it up, I did realize that that is an additional filter. And I've been using my MelodySusie dust collector since 2022 with the same filter because it's reusable, and I have some filter sheets. So I love that it comes with an additional one, especially for replacement issues. So you don't have to worry about replacing one. You can just do it without like having to buy another one. So I do appreciate that it comes with that. Also, I did peel off this plastic coating. It was not as satisfying as I thought it was going to be. But yeah, it does come with a plastic coating so your metal won't come scratched. And the way that it like clinks back, I love it. So this is not going to fall off. It is going to be super strong. It's really, really sturdy. So there's like going to be no bending it or anything like that. So yeah, I really do like that it is very sturdy. There's nothing wrong with my MelodySusie one. I just wanted something that was a little bit larger, like surface area for when I'm filing and stuff like that. So I was really interested in trying this out, and it worked really well. I was really surprised. The only thing that I wish that it would do would be rechargeable. Like I really wish that it was rechargeable like the new MelodySusie ones, but I don't mind having to plug it in. The cord is extremely long, and it is definitely a very strong like suction dust collector. So now that both sides are all peeled off, I'm just going to put it back on top of the dust collector and everything. But there's the two fans. And then I did want you guys to kind of just listen to the e-file or the dust collector once I get it turned on. So I will do that here in a minute. I do appreciate also that the power button comes taped so that you do have to peel that off so there's no accidental having it on. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and then I'm going to let you guys listen to what it sounds like. right, so we have one last test to do, and this is the one that everybody does with the Kiara Sky one. And look at that. I just turned it on full power and suctioned it to the bottom of my Alex desk, and it suctions. Now, I wouldn't recommend leaving it there, but that's just a test I saw a lot of people do for like suction power. Left it there for a couple of seconds. But I also did want to let you know that the current like filter screen things that I have also fit in this one very well. I was very happy about that because I don't have to buy a new size. So the size that I had on a previous video of my MelodySusie one, they work just fine. So yeah, all in all, I did use this. I did not record it because I was in crunch time before leaving town. And yeah, it works really, really well. I will have the link in my description box. And I definitely suggest checking it out. It is awesome and it is going to be my new go-to in all of my videos until I find a better one. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all have a good rest of your day and I will catch you on the next one.